In this Canva tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust two images in Canva. So I hope you're gonna find this helpful. Why is this helpful and why you should learn this as a beginner or intermediate Canva user. I think this is great because this can save you more time. You can work with multiple images elements at the same time. So the main reason why I've learned this is because, I mean, this is very simple, but it's important, as I said, because it can save you more time changing the image size, position, and other properties at the same time. So what we have to do, and also please subscribe for more and watch this until the very end. I really appreciate it. So now I'm going to select this first image and the second one. If I hold shift, I have two here. You can also select two like this, just highlighting, just drag on the images, you know, like this. And then once you have selected all the images, now that we have both images, now that both images are selected, any changes you make will apply to both. So here are some common things we can do. So we can change the position of both images. We can change the size of the both images like this. We can right click, align elements. We can move this, move to list to light to the middle. Control Z if you don't like this. You can click on position here and add the width and the height. So here, as you can see, we can also enter exact values. So we can resize, so we can change position. And now we can also, we have both of these images here. We can also change the transparency for both images at the same time, which is pretty nice. Now we can also rotate both images like this. Now to edit both images at the same time, we have here edit photo, but only when we select one image. But we select two, this edit photo will disappear. But something that you can do is not really maybe what you are looking for, but it's something that can save you some time, and I hope you're gonna find it helpful. If you select the image, you edit this image, now you edit to that anything you want, and now you copy, you right click and you click on copy style. Now you can just click on the other image and you will copy. Maybe it's not just what I've just selected, something really simple. Maybe you add a lot of effects to your image, to your element, and then you wouldn't want to repeat the same all the steps again. You can just copy the style to a different image quite in just 2 clicks, even just very fast, right? So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.